Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in New York. I had a late flight last night. I got here I checked in sometimes after 1 o'clock, but now I'm about to go on the road to visit my family and just catch up. And I'm also gonna give you guys a quick tour of the hotel room that I'm staying. Quick tour of the hotel room. So that's the end of the room tour. So now I'm about to go and visit the family. Alright guys, so I'm at my niece's house now and we're having breakfast, some good old ackee and saltfish with dumpling, yam and banana, and this is how I am starting my day. So guys, I just got back off the road. I visited my family. Excitement. I was so happy to see them. They were happy to see me as well because we haven't seen each other for quite some time now. So I'm about to just get ready now and meet them up again at the party, guys. So stay tuned and let's go and celebrate my niece's birthday party. Professional party. Alright guys, let's count down for that. 1, 2,
One time for the birthday treat. Two times for the birthday treat. Two times for the birthday treat.
Going to the airport now. Guys, I am so tired. I'm going to the airport now. My flight is at 3:13. It's now 20 minutes to 1 and there is traffic. So guys, I'm on board. I'm going back home now. Guys, I'm back home. My weekend in Connecticut was lit. Lots of fun, lots of food, family, liquor, party. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, guys. Bye, bye, bye.